Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you install llama.cpp on Android with Termux, run GGUF Models Locally, 2026. Let's get started. What is llama.cpp? Llama.cpp is the C++ implementation of Llama that runs efficiently on any device. It supports GGUF quantized models, GPU acceleration, and a built-in HTTP server. On Android, it's the fastest way to run LLMs locally. Install Termux from F-Droid. Download Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Run Termux setup storage, then package update and in package upgrade. Why? This gives you a clean environment for building llama.cpp. Install build dependencies. Run package install cmake python git wget build essential. These tools let you compile llama.cpp with ARM-specific optimizations for your phone's processor. Clone and build llama.cpp. Git clone https://github.com/gnov/llama.cpp and in cd llama.cpp and in mkdir build and in cd build and in cmake. cmake_build_type equals release. And in make j4. The build takes 2 to 3 minutes on modern phones. Download a GGUF model. Find quantized GGUF models on Hugging Face, the bloke/llama 2-7b GGUF or the bloke/Mistral 7b GGUF. Use wget to download. Get https://huggingface.co/the bloke/Mistral 7b-instruct-v0 2-gguf/resolve/main/Mistral 7b-instruct-v0 2.q4_k_image GGUF. Run your first inference. /main model.gguf. Explain how AI on Android works. In 256. The model generates text right on your device. For interactive chat, use /chat.sh or build the server with cmake. llama_server equals on. That's it for today. Subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android tutorials. See you tomorrow.